Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu haul video. So I made some orders on Temu and I'm here to unbox it as usual, and I'm going to be telling us if I really like what I ordered, if I got what I ordered versus what I got. Sorry if you hear my baby's voice in the background. I mean, I have to do this video regardless. So this is the package. It's just a few things, honestly, it's not a lot. And of course, I'll be leaving my code on the screen. If you're a new app user, use my code, search my code on the Temu search bar, and you're eligible for free gifts. I have the code for free gifts. I have the code for exclusive deals, amazing deals, coupons. Just, search my code on the search bar, okay? Even if you're a returning user, like an existing user, use my code and you're definitely going to be having access to coupons. And of course, if you're not earning on Temu, if you're not earning small cash from Temu, I don't know what you're doing, use my code, search my code for the affiliate program on the search bar, and you'll be signed up immediately. Okay, all right, let's get right into this unboxing. The first thing is this school bag. By the way, this wig I'm wearing is also from Temu. Tell me, do you like it? What do you think about it? Like, I got this wig for under 10 euros. I really can't recall the price right now, but I'm going to insert it on the screen, and I really love it. It's so simple, easy. I don't need to do much. Just put it on and go about my day. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think it's cute? I really love it. Anyway, so this is a school bag. Let's open it up and see if I really like it. Well, first impression, this looks really nice. Just look at it. It's not so big, like it's just a medium size, and it looks like it can contain a lot. Let's open it up. This is what the inside looks like. It looks really cool. It's really inexpensive. I'll be leaving the product picture on the screen, as well as the price. Okay, so the school bag is the first thing, and we have this up next. This should be a water, a feeding bottle for my baby. Let's see. This is what this one looks like. These feeding bottles that have a spoon. Look at this. Okay. You put the food in here, and this is silicone, so you can like easily press it. And then this is the cover. It has a spoon that you can use to spoon feed your child. And look at, this is also silicone. I really love this. It's soft. I love this. It's really nice. You can put in your puree, your pap, anything, and it's easy. Just squeeze it and spoon feed your baby. I really like this. Well, the next thing is this. This is also for a baby, and just a water bottle. Yeah, basically just a water bottle or a feeding bottle. Yeah, for water or juice or anything. Now we have this up next. This is brush for washing the bathroom, just the bathroom towels. Makes it easy to go around really quickly. And then the last thing we have here is this. It's really just a few things, not a lot, basically for baby, And I thought that why not unbox it for we all to see and tell us what I like, if I like what I ordered. So this is a pair of 3 jersey. Comes with the top and the bottom. Okay. Yes, so this is it. Wow, this is cute. I love this. This is the bottom. This is nice. It says yes, and size 90. I think this is for 12 months or up to 1 year. So I got this in yellow, this color. Okay, let me open it up so that I can also show us what the red looks like. Okay, this is what the red one looks like. This is so nice. You know, just something baby can lounge around the house with, and you know, feel free to move around. And this one, yeah. So tell me, do you like this? It's really nice. I like that. And that's it. That's everything we got. Anyway, I loved everything I ordered. And once again, what is my verdict? Do I like everything? What is the quality like? Yes, I love everything. And as always, I'm not disappointed. The quality of everything I got in this order is really nice. It's really what I ordered. Okay, this is not a case of what I ordered versus what I got. Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and if you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Okay, and please use my code, search for my code on the search bar of the Temu app and get access to amazing offers. Okay, all right, see you in my next video. Bye.